Having installed the Extraction Designer extension, you can develop your extraction modules inside an existing project or solution, such as the flexibility of using Microsoft Visual Studio as the working tool. If you wish to create a new project dedicated to extraction, the best template to use is the Microsoft C# console app, as it is one of the simplest and contains the necessary references and structure. In the Solution Explorer, you can delete the pre-built program.cs and app.config files, as these are not necessary. To get started, you'll first need to insert an extraction module item into the project. The extraction module type is usually found at the bottom of the list. Having inserted the item with a suitable name, you will see the design canvas, toolbox and properties panels. The item you just added to your project, the FPXL file, is the core part of the extraction module and holds all the components, connectivity information and settings to tell how to extract the data. You will mainly be loading, saving and working inside these files. There are, however, two other important files to be aware of, which are created automatically inside your project whenever you save. The fpxl.diagram file. This stores the cosmetic layout, including how you laid out your components on the canvas inside Visual Studio. The fpxlc file. This is the compiled version of the module, which is required to run under a 64-bit process, and is the basis for testing in Document Studio and for creating an extractor. You can move these extraction modules between Visual Studio projects, and there are good practices for this. Ensure that you have both fpxl and fpxl.diagram source files for the module and place them alongside each other in the source folder. Without the diagram file, there is no guarantee that the extraction components will be displayed in a readable format on the canvas. It is worth noting that when moving modules between projects, the fpxlc compiled file is not needed, as this is not explicitly a part of the project and is easily regenerated by resaving the module. The Extraction Examples folder in the Desktop Download package contains a Modules subfolder where you'll find the FPXL and diagram source files for some modules. These are provided as a basis for creating custom modules. From within Visual Studio, right-click the project node and select Add Existing Item. For the file filter, select All Files. Browse to the Modules folder in the Extraction Examples. Select the Date FPXL file only. With default Visual Studio settings, a full copy of the module will be created within the current project. The Add as Link option could be used to create a reference to the module only. Because it is safer to create a copy, leaving the original untouched and therefore a ready-made backup, and because it is good practice to have all modules in the same project directory, we recommend using the default Add option. The diagram file is automatically detected and a copy is created as a child item of the FPXL in the Solution Explorer. Double-click the item to start reviewing or editing the module.